Want to change audio language on Netflix mobile? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change audio language on Netflix. First thing first, head over to your application Netflix. Head over to your account and make sure you are logged in. Once you're logged in into your page, head over to My Netflix at the bottom right. Click on your profile at the top left corner. Head over to Account. It will land you on this page. Now you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and inside Profiles, head over to Adjust Parental Controls. In this page, you can see the option where it says Language. All you're going to do is click on Change and then select the audio language that you want to set on Netflix. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.